Hi guys, my name is Prajna and today I'm going to be reviewing a book. The book I'm going to review today is this book called Fashionpedia. This book called Fashionpedia, and it's the most amazing book any fashion student can have. And it's not only for fashion student, people who are interested to know about fashion and to know basic terms that is used in designing, like fashion designing, they can go for this book. Everything is literally there in this book, and trust me guys, it's like a dictionary, and it's even called Visual Dictionary of Fashion Design, and it's quite true. So where did I buy this book from? I bought it from Amazon and I got it for around 3,000. I'll be linking down below. If you guys are interested, you guys can buy this book if you guys think it's gonna help you all. So the content, it has fashion history of different periods and necessary timelines of fashion. That's one thing. It has apparel. It has different kinds of jackets, different kinds of skirts, trousers and such things. Like you can see, there are so many things here. You guys will have everything in one space. You don't have to Google it or try to find the different varieties available. It's all in one book. Best part about this book is that it's not only related to garments. They have shown accessories like different types of caps, different types of bags, gloves, shoes, scarves, everything possible in this book. So apart from the whole silhouette and designing part, there is also a part where they have explained about textile and manufacturing. So textile manufacturing is nothing but it's basically the process that takes place before the fabric is made. Obviously, the yarns, the fibers, everything is put together, and they have made, fabrics like satin and silk and stuff like that. So they have literally explained about textile, and they have explained about different types of knitting, lace, different types of finishing. Fashion is very vast, so if you guys are into knowing better about the manufacturing process of the fabrics, then this area might be of your interest. From designing, it goes in order. From designing, it goes to textile. Textile is the part where they make the fabric, and then it goes to manufacturing. So manufacturing is how you manufacture the garments. So all that is given, which is really nice. They have literally mentioned like what should a studio consist of, the different types of tools for sewing tools, different types of sewing tools, and the flat patterns, the different types of stitches, possible stitches you guys can give, and the darts, like so many technical things. Like if you're not a fashion student, you might not understand with ease what I'm talking about. And yeah, different types of embroidery. There are so many things. That's why I love this. Mentioned a page entirely dedicated to labels, and I think labeling is one of the main aspects and very important aspects if you're going into fashion garment business. And if you have your own brand, you should always know the different possible places you can place your labels, and the type of labels and the type of price tags, everything. And also the most important thing is the packaging, and they have literally mentioned different types of packaging. This is something that I didn't expect from this book, but I was really happy to see this part. That is called Beauty and Body, and in this literally they have mentioned different types of possible hairstyle for male, female, and stages of makeup. For every designer or a stylist or anyone who is into fashion, they should have knowledge about different body types, because If you're designing, you're going to design according to the body type. If you're styling, you're going to style according to the body type. So they have literally mentioned different types of women's body type, different types of male's body type. I think the whole content plus how the book looks, every minute detail with the quotes, the orange lines, everything is so perfect about this book. If you get this book from their official fashionary website, I think it will cost way more. So you can go for the same book which is in Amazon, and it's pretty good. Like how this is a dictionary, there is an entire book dedicated to business. Like it's like a business manual. I would love to know if you guys actually went for this book. So please do tag me. And yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys like this video, and if there's anything you want me to review, anything related to fashion or lifestyle, anything, just comment down below, let me know so I can review it for you guys. So yeah, that's it, and hope you guys like this review. This is my second YouTube video, and I hope I did great. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.